Hello guys, in this video I'm going to show you how you can delete your profile on the AutoUncle app. But first I just want to mention, please don't forget to subscribe to my channel, because at 10,000 subscribers I'm going to show you my whole YouTube revenue statistics and the growth strategy, how to make money online. So let's jump into it. Open the AutoUncle app. On the top right corner you can see this little circle, your profile. Tap on the profile. And here you can see it writes with red, delete account. If you tap on it, you have to agree with it and tap on delete account on the bottom in this blue button. And your account is deleted now. That's pretty much for this video. I hope it was helpful for you. If it was, please consider subscribing and see you in the next one.